So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 8x and you have a line x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, y square is equal to 8x and x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, and you're asked to find the minimum distance between this parabola and the image of this parabola with respect to this line. So if you have y square is equal to 8x and if you mirror image this, so you get another parabola like this. So what is the minimum distance between these two parabolas? So you have two curves. So what is the theory corresponding to the minimum distance questions? So minimum distance between two curves always occur in the direction of common normal. In the direction of common normal. Now as you can see, you have a figure, you have a curve and its image. So can you see that the minimum distance occurs in this direction, which is a common normal to both of this. That means the tangent to the first curve should have the same direction as tangent to the second curve. And as you can see, each point on this curve gets mirror imaged about this mirror. If you take this as a mirror, so each point of this curve is getting mirror imaged, and as these points get mirror imaged, can you see that the points get mirror imaged in perpendicular direction? So each point goes perpendicular to the mirror and reflects in this direction. So as you can see, the minimum distance occurs in the direction normal to this line and the given parabola. You don't need to find the equation of this parabola. You don't need to find the equation of this parabola. What I can do is, I can find the minimum distance between this line and the parabola, and if I just make it twice, I get the minimum distance between these two parabolas. So if I want the minimum distance between me and the image, I can just find the minimum distance between me and the mirror and just do 2 times of that number. So for that, I'll try to find the minimum distance between this line and the curve y square is equal to 8x. So how do I do that? I'll have to have a common tangent. So let this point be at square comma 2at. That is, a is 2 here. So 2t square comma 4t. So that's a point on this parabola. Now the tangent at this point has to be having the same slope as this line. So that is the condition which ensures that you have a common normal there. So what is the slope of tangent at this point? So slope of tangent, we know that for a parabola it is 1 by t. So slope of tangent at any point t is nothing but 1 by t. And this has to be same as the slope of this, which is equal to minus 1, minus of x quotient by y quotient. So 1 by t has to be equal to minus 1. This implies t is equal to minus 1. That means this point corresponding to the minimum distance from this line is nothing but t is equal to minus 1. That is, if you put t equal to minus 1 here, so this point will be 2 comma minus 4. So now to get this distance, I'll find the distance of this point from this line and twice it. So what is the distance of this line from this point? So we have a formula. So you just need to substitute this point in this line divided by root of a square plus b square. So distance is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 4 by root of 1 square plus 1 square is 2. So this is equal to root 2. So root 2 is the distance between this point and this line. So what is the total distance? What is the minimum distance between the two curves? That is twice this distance. So d minimum is nothing but 2 root 2. So this will be the answer to this question. Thank you.